So this is the presentation of my deep learning of week 6 model first year 2026 to 2027. These are the 5 steps, and this is the learning of science. Exploring, this is the chapter name, exploring substance, acidic, basic and neutral. So in this these are the topics: exploring substance, acidic, basic and neutral, pH, measure and measure taste, indicates litmus, lichen, color, red rose indicator, red rose as an indicator, turmeric as an indicator, and hydrangea flower. Acid mix with basic and neutralization in daily life, and other indicators like beetroot, purple, cabbage, hibiscus and jama. So exploring substance, 3 types of substance: acidic, basic and neutral. So and pH and measure and taste. So pH is potential of hydrogen. It is mentioned in the book, or maybe not, it is not mentioned. Potential of hydrogen. So acidic means there is a scale of 0 to 7 and then 14. So in between there will be 7 and here 0, and here it will be 14, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So from below to scale of 7 means this side, in left side, there will be, means जितना वो बढ़ेगा, like if it is 6, so it is not very hard acid, it is a little, but if it is between, like in starting, like if it is in 0, I'm telling about pH, and I'm talking about scale. Maybe it is not here.
Not here, but it is in the video.
Yeah, it was in the video.
Okay.
So pH, like this is a scale. So let's take from 0 to 7. So from this side it will be acidic, and 7 will be the neutral substance, and from 7 to till 14 will be basic. तो ये जितना इधर बढ़ेगा, जितना इधर जाएगा 0 की तरफ, it will be like hard acid, and 7 it will be neutral, ना ही ज़्यादा acid ना ज़्यादा acidic, ना ही ज़्यादा basic, and after that जितना ये इधर बढ़ेगा इतना it will be basic. So ये मतलब मेज़र, इट इज़ सॉइल में मेज़र करने के लिए, इन सॉइल, लाइक सॉइल में भी when farmers do farming and all, anything when they are doing planting, so in soil also they are checking about pH, means potential of hydrogen, means they are checking, so they are checking through this scale, like कितना से एसिडिक है, कितना बेसिक है, एंड हाउ मच इट विल बी न्यूट्रल. These are the pH and then measure and then taste. So acidic, if something is acidic, so that taste will be sour and it will corrosive in nature, means if we will touch to, then skin can be burned. And in basic, so in basic taste, the taste will be bitter, and it is slick, like when you touch the soap, तो वो फिसलता है, something, तो slippery, I think, in the slippery touch, means when you will touch it will, means वो slip करेगा, like you can say example of soap, detergent. So yes, and indicator, litmus and lichen. So how you can, indicator is just one, indicator is that one from जिससे हम ये पता कर सकते हैं कि विच वन इज़ एसिडिक, विच वन इज़ बेसिक एंड विच वन इज़ न्यूट्रल. So in indicator there is one type of indicator is litmus. Litmus is it can be in solution also and it can be in paper, like paper also, and that paper will be in paper also in blue and red color. Yes. So when you will put that blue paper in the acidic, it turn into red. So and when you will red paper, when you will put in basic things, it becomes into blue. And if you will put in the neutral things like in water, salt, and sugar solution, so it cannot be changed their color. Not in green and not in blue and not in blue. So color change नहीं करेगा. If you will put in the neutral चीज में, neutral solution में, if you will put, then it will not change their color. But acidic में red color change करेगा and basic में blue color. After that lichen is this one is lichen. So litmus mainly means litmus कहाँ से बनता है? It is made from lichen. So it is I just remember only two things, means two types, but I don't remember that one. Is here second it mainly यहाँ मिलता है where fresh air हो, fresh air available there, and जहाँ पे खूब ज़्यादा बारिश होती हो और फ्रेश एयर हो, नेचर फ्रेश हो एंड क्लीन हो, देयर lichen grow. And two parts of lichen. So one is it is mentioned there. I don't remember that name because I watched in the morning. It is here lichen forms yes, fungus and alga. So fungus is giving structure, and alga is that there's two part to making say जो दो रिलेशन, जो दोनों मिलकर रिलेशन बनाते हैं, what you can call that is named by S name, I don't remember. Sufficient relationship, something like something started with S later, but I don't remember that name. So उनका जो structure, जो fungus है, it give us is structure, and alga make food. So both are doing their work. So both are means their fungus is giving, I can say, structure and protection, and in that alga which is in green color, it makes जिसमें chlorophyll we can find. So in that it makes food with the help of photosynthesis. So alga makes food and fungus giving structure. So this is about lichen and about color. So color I talk about कि कौन सा color किसमें repeat, किसमें change होगा. Now it is red rose indicator.
ये जो classification है, all of that classify those substances sorted into A, B and C.
Which one is this? It is activity, I think. It is activity.
Group A, with samples that turn blue litmus paper to red. Then the red elements to blue and do not affect. So, So they have mentioned this four
This is
citric
some
acid,
citric acid.
ascorbic acid, and citric acid, tartaric acid, and
विटामिन सी को ascorbic acid भी कहते हैं.
and
In
citric
orange
acid.
we found citric acid, and in raw mango we found tartaric acid. In tomato also citric acid and oxalic acid. I don't remember that. Only I remember citric acid name. Lemon will be find out for names and the most common.
Lemon will be
I don't know. What is it? Not citric acid. It is about find the acid name, then write it there. I don't remember the name. And how can I find that? I also don't know.
so it tells the ones in the group A, such as lemon juice, amla juice, tamarind water, and vinegar are the ones turned the blue liquidness into red.
Because it
They
is
are
acidic
acidic.
in nature. Taste will be sour.
Yeah. These are the soaping ones, lime water, and water did not
Sweet tea, something in touch.
tap water, sugar solution, salt solution, but not cheese. So vinegar it is appearing here. Tamarind is also appearing here.
They are talking about which type of acid.
Yes, so
That I don't know.
they are in this group, acidic in nature, but now they are asking more in detail.
For this, I have to search about it. Means which type of.
But they did not mention in the video.
She tell about it, but how we can found that should be not which acid is.
That is the taste itself. You have tried all four of them. So you will know slightly the difference. Tamarind, lemon, vinegar. Little gold, Karela. It's basic in nature. Okay. It's good if you, if you are going into medicine, one way or the other you will need to know about this.
What
If
do
you
you
go
say?
in medicine, if you go in medicine as a subject later on, you would need to know about all these things.
About the type of acid.
Yes, as a doctor, yes. As a doctor, it's one has to know.
Maybe in next class they will tell about how to find which one is which acid. Next class, maybe in class 8. Now red rose as an indicator. So we can find help with the help of red rose also which one is acid and which one is basic. So for if just इसको बनाने के लिए we have to take leaves of red rose which is like this is falling down. गिरा नहीं है नीचे. In classes they say don't pluck it. जो नीचे क्या बोलेंगे. So for take a rose leaves and then put it in a glass in a glass and then put it water. तब तक जितना उसके एकदम मीन्स पूरा जो लीव्स है जब तक गीला ना हो जाए. Till that means अगर ऊपर तक का है तो उसके एकदम लेवल तक का चाहिए पानी. We have to put it that. Then we have to like उसको फिर उसको एक saw that oakley उसमें उसको फिर मीन्स उसको कूटना होता है water होगा, it will be in red. Yeah, it will be in red. So we can use that one to find which one is acid and which one is basic. So for acidic, if you will put water, if you will put something like, let's after that when you will make this mixture, then this solution, then you will put in a test tube and then take a baking soda solution for because that is basic in nature, and take a lemon juice which one is acidic in nature. Yes. And then after that take some drops of lemon juice and put it in that solution, so it will be in red but a different red. Means जो रेड रोज का जो कलर होगा, it is little different from that, different red color. And then when you will put in the base which one is baking soda solution in that solution, it will change its color into green. So this, and if it will be neutral, so it will not change its color, it will be same color. So this is the about red rose as an indicator. And we can use turmeric also as an indicator. Like we can count turmeric, with the help of turmeric also we can count which is acidic and which is basic. So in turmeric also change its color in only in basic. In basic means if it is and if any solution which is acid, it will not change its color. And neutral also it will not change its color, but in basic it will change its color. Maybe it will change in reddish red brownish. Like you can take example, if you will eat something like sabji. So in sabji we use the turmeric, and if it fall down on our clothes, so if we are washing it with that means washing them उसी से करते, सर्फ से करते, डिटर्जेंट से, so it is basic in nature. That detergent is basic in nature. और maybe जो कपड़े धोने वाले जो साबुन होता है, सोप होता है, so it is also in basic nature. So when we will apply in that, so it will change its color, not it will in yellow, it will change its color in that brownish color. So only turmeric change its color in when you will apply anything which is basic in nature. And turmeric also, like you can say, it is here it is about first. Here it is something about like turmeric also, you can say family of ginger. Because when you will usually we saw like turmeric जो हल्दी usually वही देखते हैं जो सिर्फ सब्जी में डालते हुए देखते हैं, बट इन स्टार्टिंग when it is not made like a powder, only usually we saw powder, but before powder के पहले it is like ginger.
Yes.
So, and turmeric को we call it golden spice. Now about
This is also there in your list.
hydrangea flower. This one is. This is a different means like it is change color. It is in blue because in that it is ज़्यादातर ये ठंडी जगहों पे पाया जाएगा. वहाँ पे पाया जाता है that I know Himalaya पे. These are flowers, means same flower. Same flower, but flower name is hydrangea flower. Same flower, but it changed its color because in blue and in light pink you can say. So जो उसका soil होता है, in that soil if there is more acidic, then it will change its color in light pink. And same tree, if there is same tree and जो उसका root जो फैलता है, so that if one part of root will come into more acidic in that soil where is more acidic, so it change that flower will change it light pink, and if it went into soil where is more basic nature, so it will change its color in blue. So this was the interesting. And acid mixed with basic. So something means it is some students and some people think about it like question आता है like if acid and basic will mix, so what will happen? So it will make neutral. Purple, not purple, कुछ नहीं बनेगा. Neutral means नहीं, हाँ वो neutral होगा and it provides like salt, water, and it उसको क्या बोलते हैं extoric means heat provide करता है. If we will mix it together, acid and basic, so it will वो salt उसमें means उसमें salt निकलेगा and it will water also and उसमें से heat निकलेगा. Will not do nothing blast नहीं होगा. This is something some people think like means me also. I'm also thinking like if we will mix together it will be वो blast हो जाएगा. It is not like that. उसमें से heat provide करता है. And neutralization in daily life. So it will become in neutral. Not very acidic. Means but in उसको सेम अमाउंट में डालना है. मीन्स उसका कुछ नाम है, एस से नाम है, वो मुझे नहीं आता.
Simple cabbage.
No, not in purple. Like अगर 3 point, if you are 0, here it is 7, and if you are putting 0 till 0 to acidic, and then we have to put 14, means same ratio you can say, both. So it then means ऊपर नीचे नहीं, सेम एसिड और बेसिक दोनों को डालना है. Then it will so जब दोनों को एक में डालें so it will कम means एसिड को और बेसिक दोनों को अगर डालेंगे तो दोनों जब एक मात्रा में रहेंगे so it will be neutral. 7 डालेंगे so it will be neutral. So but it will be salt, water, and it provides it means उसमें से heat निकलता है. After that neutralization in daily life. Like there is a story about ant. अगर चींटी, yeah, this was the when ant bite us, it provide means वो एसिड छोड़ देती है. वहाँ पे एसिड होता है जो we can say when ant bite us it becomes red and और वो थोड़ी सी उसमें सूजन आ जाती है, we can say, and it is a little painful also. So then we will, so it is acidic और वहाँ पे क्योंकि वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा I don't know कितने मात्रा में, but there will be acid. So if we will put it there baking soda, because baking soda is basic in nature. So if we will put that one, so it means वो फिट हो जाएगा. बस एसिड अगर ज़्यादा है so we will have to put their base, and then अगर basic कहीं base अगर ज़्यादा so we have to be put their acid, so it will become neutral. So after that it will be fine. And there is another story of farmer, like sometimes farmer do planting but crops are not well, so they are asking to somebody, so they think they give us all. So when they analyze, so they see that he put more acid in his farm, so then he have to put some basic solution and basic things in that farm, so it can be neutral, so the farm can be plant can be grow better. These are the other indicators which I read about in the morning: beetroot, purple cabbage, hibiscus, and jamun. But what are these? Beetroot, purple cabbage means in these four, purple cabbage. Cabbage.
Where can I find it?
Cabbage not here.
अच्छा अच्छा
It is not. It is today in the morning.
अच्छा other indicators.
Other indicators means in the morning I study when I was watching PW classes in one short video for revision. So and that it is they are telling us. I take it a screenshot, but I don't remember कि उसका color कैसे बदलेगा. But we can use this one: beetroot, purple cabbage, hibiscus and jamun also. Or find out which one is acidic in nature, which one is basic in nature, and which one is neutral in nature. Neutral substance. So these are the points. These are the topics. Of science, this is it. Of math, I learned about only addition.
This you have explained. What happens when acidic is mixed with basic substances? Olfactory indicators. And what would be that? Olfactory indicators. Olfactory.
Olfactory indicators, it is human ने बनाया है. Human ने बनाया है. Changing in an acidic or basic medium, it is occurred after freezing. So this is of olfactory indicators means जिसको दिखाई नहीं देता, who cannot see. I did not read about it. Means I don't have a deep knowledge about it. Means who cannot see. So how they can know about which one is acidic in nature, which one is basic, and which one is neutral. So they can know through smelling. This is the olfactory indicators. ये इसको कैसे करते हैं बेटर देंगे.
What experiment are you exploring?
Me
Yes. What is?
experiment of in real life. In real life, I will try to do this one. Red rose.
कहाँ पे मिलता है वो?
कहीं तो मिलेगा ही होगा.
हाँ?
कहीं तो मिलेगा ही गंदे में खाएंगे.
Planning to grow, it will take time.
I am planning also to go, but I will find it. कहीं तो होगा ही.
Yes, it is. Yeah, page number. Okay. All right. इसमें अभी तक कोई exercise. There was no exercises, huh? Is there anything you can science solve?
Science hall. I did not do science hall, but there is question answer.
Others later.
Read today or tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Read today or tomorrow.
Read Rangoli.
Read Rangoli. I
which I am doing solution. How to do addition, subtraction in of rational number.
Non-integer and positive integer and negative integer.
मतलब I didn't understand that. You said from that book. Which book से पढ़ा?
Exercise 1C today it will complete. So today I completed till here I completed
Page 10.
page number 10.
Already. So we met on Saturday. You were in page 5. Now you are on page 10 already.
Page
Okay.
number. So I
Very
completed page number 11. Means this only one chapter it takes more time because it is 28 page.
So it will be. So you have completed page 10.
Page number 10. 3 questions completed, 4 I am going, 4 and 5 till here I
You
am
have
going to
teach
do.
till here. We have done this.
I write this question.
But you have no. Till where you have solved.
Solve total
Till here. Any difficulties? Any
No.
difficulties?
In addition, subtraction I know. Only in that one, how to put number line, how to put rational number in the number.
That was last week also you had mentioned that, no? But then you also explained me that yes, वो OP वाला था, है ना? Okay. Page 5 is this is इसका मैथ सॉल्व है? Notebook हाँ here. And you said you started class 9 of math.
I'm just started to watch means yesterday I just want to do something new. Something new which I started to watch.
Sometimes itching होता है कि कुछ नया देखो.
Till here you
हाँ. This is what you were saying representing in the line? No. It is the OP one that you were saying.
OP, OA,
हाँ.
OA, comma, OA.
वो वाला. But
And then
this is also line. So do you have an issue with this?
No.
नहीं ना. There's simple.
This one is
Find this somewhere.
admixture of closure property, example of closure property, example of commutative property, example of associative property, example of additive identity, not here mentioned. इसका mention नहीं है.
हाँ.
And additive inverse means I did not write a topic name. I was example मैंने बस specific दिया.
See Gopal ji. 17th when was it? Saturday. Okay, since then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pages. और आज क्या है? 20 तारीख. 3 दिन में 11 pages. ये क्या स्पीच चल रहा है दीदी का?
I don't know.
You don't know. If you don't know, then who will know?
How I know this is big.
You are also watching her, huh?
I'm watching math, so I'm not watching math when he's doing math.
You don't do math solve when she's doing math solve?
Yes, I don't do math. Sorry. Before I was doing it, now I
Now he is sitting there. Sitting there.
Less talking. Really?
Yeah.
Really?
He thought only sometime.
Hmm.
He thought on prayer that in evening time, and when he joins somewhere physical or learning ground, there he comes. And then he
So
talks very less.
she's focused. Very focused. Good, no? At setting good example for everyone. Are you checking whether the answer is correct?
Yes.
You are checking with the back of the notebook, no? And we said about आपका क्लास 9 का बुक can you show?
You and don't ask anything from
I
class
also have curiosity.
That
No, but means smaller it looks.
but
Yeah,
it's
it's
not
not,
very.
नहीं
Maybe
होगा.
question. फिलहाल तो अभी तक when I watched it till 40-minute classes, it was easy.
हाँ.
2 things I learned only non-positive integer and non-negative integer. That's it, and it was easy. Not it was very hard, but yeah, it was the basic. He said, "Basic sir ने कहा है कि ये basic." After that,
वैसे तो वहाँ एक बुक रखी हुई वो भी बहुत छोटी है.
So here till where you have reached, or only video?
only
Only video.
I'm not solving it.
They're not solved till he completed RSS one.
I just started to watch because
Mandala.
How will she not solve till Adis Agarwal because
Till he don't finish RSS one, he cannot solve
I
that.
have to finish first and I can.
That if he not finish that, he cannot start any other thing.
that's right.
No, ऐसा नहीं है. But he's doing.
Now what happens is that, see, maybe since 1 month you have written in your Sunday slides that you are going to finish it in 1 week.
150 pages, 153 times. 3 weeks.
Since 3 weeks. But by now you have realized that in 1 week it is not possible.
This week, एक में 5-6.
15 हफ्ते लगेंगे देखो
After
पेपर
that,
में.
5-6 question है, then after that 5.
15 हफ्ते लगेंगे देखो पेपर में.
Like you can say, exercise, only exercise it is in 2 pages. Example कुछ हो. So much question.
There are so many.
It will take 15 weeks to complete.
How
If
did
they are
you
not
say it?
explaining anything, they are not doing anything. Like if you
It's only solving.
only solve only questions.
This book is only about shopping. It's not like.
I thought like that book. 2 पेज का उसमें कुछ बताया होगा, फिर उसके बाद कुछ.
So how, what do you think, like how long this can take?
Means I
One
have to do
module.
in the afternoon also or in the maybe.
We are in the 6th week of the module, ना? पूरा module तो minimum तो लगेगा ही.
ये
That is
पूरा मॉडल भी नहीं लगा.
If I will do in the morning and in the night also, then maybe can.
If you do 3 times also, morning,
आपका
afternoon.
NIU is कब है? Is it in September or is it in next year? It's next year.
This year we cannot do.
Huh?
Cannot do.
How can I do? How can I do?
Which subjects you are
That
doing?
is
NIS में?
Math science is late.
लग इसको पूछ रही हूँ कौन बोल रहा है? आपका राइटिंग कंप्लीट हो गया? What meaning reading? Okay, you will check after this. Yes.
Math, science, English,
Elementary and
business study and entrepreneurship.
Math, science, English,
Business study,
business study,
entrepreneurship.
entrepreneurship.
Next model I'm thinking I will start business study and entrepreneurship. At least कम से कम class तो चल।
कुछ तो बच्चा लेके आया है.
बिल्कुल तैयार है क्लास के साथ होती है
तो कुछ नहीं पता है क्या है कैसे इसको ये
एकाध क्लास में से होती है मैंने करी जनता
ये जो आगे सारा बाल है,
If there is more question, it is helping me to do practice.
so with practice you are getting more clarity.
It is yes, practice से clarity तो
और इसमें ज़्यादा एक्सरसाइजेस नहीं होते हैं.
This
Sir?
book,
हाँ.
इसमें देख के तो ये लग रहा है ज़्यादा exercises नहीं है. So if it's very complete, then
So examples
only
तो
four
है.
exercise, 4 questions in exercise 1.
हाँ.
Yeah, examples is there, but not so much question.
Page and
Exercise.
Maybe 9th class will not take so much time. If your sir will not, अगर सर कोई और बुक ना खरीदे,
it is old and candy black not new black
So what I'm thinking is that, see, normally every grade they build on each other. So practice is good, but side में 1.5 you have to do 5. Okay, there are 5 exercises.
in rational number in class 9th also and in class 8 also it is given long page number also और उसको क्या कहते हैं, पेज नंबर भी लंबा ले रहा है और क्लासेस भी only of rational number it is there 4 hours till 3 hours 55 minutes 59 seconds. I'm not joking.
3 hours 59 seconds
3 hours 55 minutes 59 seconds.
So far, how much time you are, जैसे अभी आपने 3 दिनों में 11 pages के, how long you have been spending on maths?
Spending means now
how much time you do
Which subject you are spending most time on?
सबका वही है कल ज़्यादा गया है मैथ maybe it is more than 2 hours. More than 2 hours. Solved and watching classes both. I solved 1 hour 40 minutes and I watched classes with 8 minutes.
Math you are spending most time.
Yesterday only.
It's
Since now I started to do math solve because I don't want to do math solve. Now
what do you want to do?
Since वही चीज़ को रिपीट हो रही थी तो I thought बाद में करेंगे Now I started to do
कोई परसेंट छोड़ा था तो
so I can do because मैं अभी फिलहाल ना कोई छुट्टी कहीं जाने का नहीं कर सकती कहीं छुट्टी कहीं कुछ नहीं
एक दिन का छुट्टी नहीं लेंगे
Saturday I can if I will take so about that so I'm thinking I can do maths only
24 hours में मैंने दिया बुक तो और 158 hours
Let's go to English, right? Science, math, India, English.
English book
he complete the book he
No.
complete the book
She
complete the book
she, he.
maybe page number 100
You also do?
he
190
he
190
190. 190. 8 pages left.
तो इसमें कितना
one page in a full week
No, Saturday. अच्छा हाँ, 3 days.
only one page
190. She was in 177.
yeah one
only maybe 6 pages left.
हाँ, okay.
हाँ ऐसा नहीं है
We were discussing last time that What is your plan after you finish this book for English?
Read another book
Read another book. Okay.
because in this year
Uh,
I have to complete all the 9
Plan for all the 10
book,
books.
10 book and with what we read.
read what you read.
After that I can do again reading and then understanding
Right.
and all that.
Right.
Otherwise-
Now there is one thing I have come across. Class 7 English book. I saw the class 7 English book. Which English books do you have here? Because you are preparing for class 10 exam of English.
Yes.
Do you know which English book grades you have?
I need to check. पूर्वी का है plus 7th है.
7 है, yes.
That I know.
I was watching it
है
with
या
Purila
नहीं?
yesterday.
नहीं 8 नहीं 7 का 3 है.
I don't know कि 8
है वैसे 10 के साथ 7 है यहाँ.
हाँ 7.
And it is valuable. When I was looking at the book, it makes sense. Because
Sleeping
what
not
happens is
allowed.
that now you are reading books, but in this English way there are more things to read.
But I will do English
After
in
that
the,
only they have to do grammar.
in the house when I am watching mobile.
You will do English?
In the house
How?
when I will watch
How?
mobile. Classes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you do.
Which English classes?
Because they are
Grammar class.
ज़्यादातर उसमें story है and then after that question answer.
Yes and no. There are different things they ask. They say there is a story and
हाँ.
then sometimes they ask very different things. Sometimes it is opinion, sometimes there is a narrative, sometimes there is discussion. So these are what they are doing in the book will be similar what is going to happen in the test also in IELTS. That is why
I will see
Hmm?
what is I will see what is the maybe
You will take an IELTS exam of English? Or what are you saying? What you
this English का book है
हाँ.
आया है only math का नहीं आया.
किस चीज़ का?
Instead of math he gave us home science. Instead of math they sent home science.
Who
Book of
sent from Science?
home analysis book आया है. If you want I can show you.
अच्छा. Oh yes. Yes, I don't know about it.
Or you not play yoga. And focus now.
Oh my God. एक minute. Let's
We
put
will
it
take
here.
it on.
Let's put it. Business studies.
Business
Nice.
study.
It's home science. Two times.
Home science too.
Why they have sent for home science?
I don't know. Instead of math.
Hey, but then
हाँ
Next
I
is-
told them कि
हाँ.
मैथ का चाहिए होम साइंस का नहीं सेट तो नहीं है. आपको मतलब वो वापस नहीं होगा. Want you can buy.
then you are not doing math examination. You will
He
do
said
home
he
science.
No.
he said
तो इतना math क्यों कर?
Math is
he said means you need to buy math they
yeah,
अलग
there
से.
is English.
You're going to do home science?
No, I'm not going to do home science.
Nobody is going to.
But it's
No, but-
science.
They give us, but I'm not
They
going
they
to
said
do
if you
home
buy
science,
another
home science
अलग से आप
not.
buy करिए class
So
time.
what they do, they send you sets. उनका set होता है, ऐसा है. और they give you their options, or you choose your options. How?
सर ने ऑप्शन चूज किया.
Sir
हाँ.
ने जो किया.
But then why
उन्होंने
they send
subject
the wrong
choose किया
book?
होगा, I don't know.
उन्होंने बोला मिस्टेक से उन्होंने बोला था ना.
हाँ?
उन्होंने बोला था बाय मिस्टेक.
नहीं तो उन्होंने ये नहीं कहा कि बाय मिस्टेक ऐसे कि आपने हाँ उन्होंने कहा कि चला गया होगा. So after that वो वापस नहीं होगा. Means it will not going to return.
Okay.
And if you want you can buy another math.
Means आप book ले.
But this is better. Why are you doing math too?
Home science is difficult than math. That's
That's not true.
Very easy.
it is very easy.
ज़्यादा इसमें I think practical.
For her, this will be much easier.
But practical
Huh?
is unknown.
What practical of home science you
होम
have?
साइंस से अब टाइम फेल नहीं होंगे.
That is true.
Yeah, home
You can
science.
take
You said that, yeah?
No, but as in it is science related. So for you it is still beneficial. For him, oh, for him it's a different story.